Welcome to Review Lab. The best Cinta para Escotes De Pecho is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone looking to enhance their wardrobe and confidence, offering a discreet yet effective solution for various fashion challenges. Whether you're dealing with a tricky neckline, seeking extra support, or aiming to prevent wardrobe malfunctions, this innovative product provides a seamless and secure way to ensure your outfits look and feel just right, allowing you to move with freedom and assurance throughout your day. It's the secret weapon that empowers you to wear any outfit with unparalleled comfort and style. Number 5. Fearless Tape Double-Sided Clothing Tape. Keep your outfits perfectly in place all day long. This versatile tape works on any clothing, providing a secure hold for any occasion. Our medical-grade adhesive is gentle on sensitive skin, offering an all-day hold without irritation. It creates an invisible barrier, perfect for daring styles. Say goodbye to safety pins. This tape works on delicate materials like silk and lace, leaving no residue. Use it for quick fixes or styling adjustments. Experience a reliable hold that stays put through all your activities. It's flexible and comfortable, giving you confidence in any outfit. For best results, apply to clean, dry skin and fabric. It's perfect for backless dresses, strapless tops, and everyday wardrobe needs. Each strip provides a secure, invisible hold for fashion perfection. Enjoy confidence and style without worry. What we like. If you need a reliable way to keep your outfits in place all day, this is for you. It's gentle on sensitive skin and works on all fabric types without damage. Choose this if you want a secure and versatile solution for any fashion emergency. What people say. It is very comfortable and it is very easy to use. It is a great product. It is very easy to put on and take off. It is a great product. It is very easy to put on and take off. It is also very comfortable and it is very easy to use. Number 4. QUXIANG Reusable Silicone Nippleless Covers. Experience ultimate comfort with our reusable silicone nipple covers. Designed for everyday wear, they provide a smooth, seamless look under any outfit. These nippleless covers offer a secure, adhesive fit that stays in place all day long. You can move with confidence, knowing they'll stay put. Ideal for all types of dresses, especially those with low backs or revealing necklines. They offer discreet coverage without the need for a traditional bra. Made from soft, skin-friendly silicone, they are gentle even on the most sensitive skin. Enjoy comfortable wear without irritation. Achieve a flawless silhouette with these invisible nipple covers. They lie flat against your skin, ensuring a smooth appearance under clothing. Get a great value with this pack of 4 pairs. You'll have plenty of covers for frequent use and for different occasions. What we like. For those seeking a seamless look under sheer or low-cut tops, these are a great choice. They are reusable and provide a discreet solution for nipple coverage. If you prefer not to wear a traditional bra, consider these for comfort and confidence. What people say. They stick really well, and don't show under clothes. I've used them multiple times and they still work perfectly. These covers have strong adhesive that holds them in place but is not painful when you remove them. The color is somewhat translucent, which makes it very easy to blend in with my skin coloring. These little jewels fit my nipple perfectly. They stick and truly last and last. Number 3. Busties Boob Tape Kit. Introducing the Busties Boob Tape Kit, your solution for effortless breast support. This versatile kit is designed for a universal fit, ensuring comfort and confidence for all. Achieve a natural and beautiful breast lift with our easy-to-use booby tape. It's perfect for enhancing your silhouette under any outfit. Specifically designed to provide reliable support for larger busts, this tape offers a secure and comfortable hold throughout the day. Enjoy the freedom of going braless with confidence. The included nipple covers and petals ensure maximum comfort and discretion. Our breast tape is designed for a universal fit, adapting to your unique shape. It's the perfect solution for any occasion, providing a smooth and seamless look. This pack includes 12 pieces of high-quality breast tape, offering you a reliable and long-lasting solution for all your support needs. What we like. If you're looking for a way to achieve a natural breast lift and shape, this kit is ideal. It offers a universal fit and comes with nipple covers for added comfort. This is perfect for strapless or backless outfits where a traditional bra won't work. What people say. The tape has guidelines on the back so that it is easier to measure and cut at the right length. The stretchiness and flexibility of the tape makes the application process super simple and quick. The sheet of instructions actually gives a couple of examples on different combinations of breast tape placements, which I found to be really helpful. The lift that I got from this was impeccable, actually way better than any bra that I've ever owned. The tape is clearly strong and high quality because it held the girls all day with no movement or tears whatsoever. That sweat-proof claim is no joke. This stuff is a game changer. Super sticky but gentle on skin, gives amazing lift even on my 36 DDs, wore a deep plunge dress to a wedding and danced for 6+ hours, zero slipping, no irritation, completely invisible. Number 2. Hollywood Fashion Secrets Fashion Tapes. Tired of wardrobe malfunctions ruining your day? Hollywood Fashion Secrets Fashion Tapes are here to save the day. Keep your clothes looking perfect, no matter the situation. These tapes provide a strong, yet invisible hold for any fabric. They keep your clothes in place all day long, giving you confidence and peace of mind. Using them is incredibly simple, just peel and stick. And when it's time to take them off, they remove cleanly without damaging your garments. Whether it's a formal event or a casual day out, these tapes are your secret weapon. They ensure your outfit stays exactly as you intended, from morning to night. Their compact size makes them perfect for your purse or travel bag. You'll always be prepared to handle any fashion emergency on the go. Designed to be gentle, they won't irritate your skin or leave residue on your clothes. Enjoy a secure hold that's comfortable and worry-free. What we like. When you need a quick and effective way to secure clothing, this tape is a lifesaver. It provides a strong, invisible hold that lasts. If you often deal with wardrobe malfunctions or need to adjust your clothing discreetly, this is the product for you. What people say. These tapes work well so that bra straps stay put. Perfect. Did exactly what I needed it to do. I wore my sling-back shoes for hours without any slipping. I was shocked at how well this holds up. I bought fashion tape to remedy a few shirts I own that are too low cut to wear to the office, and this fashion tape solves my problem easily. It sticks very well to skin, and I can wear it all day with minimal irritation. It also comes off easily, and I haven't had to worry about ripping any delicate fabrics while using this tape. Number 1. Hollywood Fashion Secrets Fashion Tapes. Tired of wardrobe malfunctions ruining your day? Introducing the perfect solution to keep your clothes perfectly in place, no matter the occasion. These amazing tapes offer a quick and easy way to secure fabric to fabric or fabric to skin. Say goodbye to shifting hemlines and gaping necklines. Designed for discretion, they provide a strong and reliable hold that lasts all day. You can move with confidence, knowing everything will stay put. Whether it's a formal gown, a casual top, or a tricky blouse, these tapes are your secret weapon. They work seamlessly with any fabric and style. Keep a pack handy for any fashion emergency. It's the essential tool for every fashion-conscious individual who wants to look their best. Enjoy the freedom of wearing what you love without worry. These tapes ensure your outfit stays flawless from morning to night. What we like. For a reliable and discreet solution to keep your garments perfectly in place, this tape is a must-have. It offers a strong hold that remains invisible under any outfit. If you prioritize a flawless look and need to avoid wardrobe mishaps, this tape is your go-to. What people say. It comes off so easily and it doesn't show when it's on. Great product. It's very sticky and will hold in place without any issues. The strips are really long for what I need, so I just cut it into 2 or 3 smaller strips and I don't have a problem for the rest of the day. These are my go-to for fashion emergencies. They stick so well and last all day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.